Under the Wings 41 in progress. It is Tuesday afternoon, May 25th, 2021. Yesterday afternoon, I completed inking 8 of the allegorical sea monsters. And then this is like a major development in the Under the Wings series, as well as in the Sightseeing with Dignity Human Rights Art series. Not only do we have, are there going to be 10 allegorical sea monsters, of which 8 are now completed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all around the portrait of the older, senior age Jewish man drawn from the Warsaw Ghetto photograph, who was undoubtedly murdered by the Nazis either in the Warsaw Ghetto or at Treblinka or another of the Nazi death camps in Nazi-occupied Poland. Number 9, I began working on yesterday. I'm going to finish that one today. Then I've got this largest one here, but the big addition is thematic addition and change. And not only do we have allegorical sea monsters, but I drew 2 metaphoric wings on the coming out of the shoulders of the murdered victim I've portrayed, of race, religious, ethnic, national background hate, and so on. So, wow, we have wings and sea monsters both for the very first time in one individual artwork. All right, how are we doing, budgies? It looks like one of them is doing a dance on top of the wheatgrass over there. Let's go take a look. You're supposed to be eating it. Well, I guess it makes a good dance floor. All right. What do I know? I'm not a budgie. All right. To be continued. The next part after this one is done, and then this one's going to take a while because it's so large. All right.